This 2023 Coachmen Pursuit 31TS is a Class A RV. It is located in Concord, North Carolina 28027 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charlotte. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Coachmen Pursuit 31TS is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.